did send, we referred from my own records. We referred the matter to Medical and Dental Council, and you informed us that you also written petition to them. And I gave you a reason. I don't have the expertise. One, they act as constitutional body, the disciplinary committee to discipline and monitor. I said, let them do the visit and then report to us of their findings. Then I know we also interviewed some of these doctors here and the nurses. They brought 2 nurses, am I right, that were on duty, and we had their statement. We took that of all the nurses, of the doctors, sorry, and the medical personnel. And I said here, I'll say it again. The body with the expertise to know when there's a medical negligence is the Medical and Dental Council. If, for example, they told me they did this procedure, I wouldn't know whether they ought to have done this or that. I don't know if you're getting me. And then I said, we need the input of the experts. But their contention that they remained that you needed to know the outcome of the investigation of the internal investigation. Am I right? That's what you demanded?
Yes, sir.
While the medical director says, now we are there, we can't canvass those things or make it open to you, that they've written the Minister of Health. But he said you want a copy. And they said they can't oblige you any copy now based on the fact that he has written to the Minister and whatever in health and all whatnot. I don't know if I'm right.
Okay, before that time, sir, this Honorable House has also demanded that the Federal Medical Council, Asaba,
furnished with copies of the petition to enable them to respond.
Take more than
Okay, it doesn't matter. You have 30 days for anyone to respond. You give the petitioner, you get the petition, you serve the person, reply in 30 days, you send to the person, do you have any comment within 14 days? You serve again, do you have any fine, but it shouldn't take 8 months. And now you're asking for 2 more months, that's how many months? That's 10 months. Hold on. That's just for the panel. You haven't even got to the point where you're going to send your report to a disciplinary body. I don't understand. There's no law that says it should take you 8-10 months on a medical negligence matter. That will take you 8 months to investigate before you get to the disciplinary panel. That will take another how many months? Come on.
Further information, sir.
Come on. I know I'm thoroughly disgusted about what you're trying to say. Thoroughly. Absolutely thoroughly disgusted. You cannot, there's no explanation you can proffer. Because I for one would recommend stern action to be taken against your panel for being dilatory about a matter that's so serious. I would recommend it. Because you can't sit there and support the answer, look, yes, well, we have 30 days, this matter. How long do you want this matter to go on for? I mean it because I'm angered by it. How long do you want this matter to go on for? His wife has died. He wants to know whether justice has been served. Are you telling me that those people you're investigating are happy for these charges, possible charges, to hang over them for 8 months? They can't be. So please do this job. You're a panel member. You've got time to sit here today. Call your panel members, serve everyone you need to serve, conclude your matter, send it to the disciplinary committee, if it needs to be done. You can't explain 8 months away from me. It's just impossible. You can't. It's a very long time.
To narrow it down, the petition specifically against some persons. We also examined the doctors and nurses on duty. So they shouldn't go mentioning men or other people or whatever. So the people you need to talk to are known to you. What is explaining, let all of us get to know that you merely do investigation like we do, and pass to another body who will pronounce the disciplinary measure, who will try it. Like whatever we do here is not final, we'll take it to the 360 members and subject it to them to debate an argument before we resolve. Therefore, like you said, we are going to abridge your time, within which that committee must turn in their investigation. Based on investigation, now you know whether they go to the Senate Council or otherwise. But your investigation will kickstart or otherwise of disciplinary measures. He said if they have prima facie case to answer, then you'll get that done. If you don't, then let it be. But conclude yours. And that deeply appears far from what we are hearing now. Petition to respond, including night men. The guy does not work on. Listen, if the petition is answering this mention and then give them another 30 days, that means if they mention 12 names, we'll give them 30 days, and that would be 1 year.
No, the 30 days go run concurrently.
Therefore, in advance, copy everybody. Let them say, oh, I'm not involved. So they've said their own. So that rule will not delay justice.
No, the rule is not delaying justice. We are actually close to the end of that process. We are close to the end of that process.